How to create a WhatsApp group. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your WhatsApp. Here we go. You will land to the chat section page. Now at the top right corner, you can find this plus icon. Click on it. Different options will appear. Head towards the option of new group. Now in this page, you're gonna find all the contact list of your WhatsApp. Now check in for the contacts that you want to add in the group. Once you are done, click on the option of Next. Now give a name to your group. Likewise, if you want to add a picture, you can click over here. You will get different options as take photo, choose photo, emoji and sticker, search web. I will be selecting emoji and sticker. Once you select it, click on Done. With that, you have just selected profile picture for your group chat. Likewise, you can customize these settings, disappearing messages and group permissions. Firstly, head towards this option of disappearing messages. If you want to enable it, you can set it to 24 hours, 7 days or 90 days. In the case you don't want to enable it, you can set it to off. For instance, I will be setting it to off. Now open this option, group permissions. Now from here, you can customize these settings, edit group settings, send messages, add other members, approve new members. Once you customize these settings, you can head back. Now click on the option of create. With that, your group chat will be created. Well, this is how you can easily create a WhatsApp group. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.